Find the linear dependency of the vector, these four vectors. Are they dependent or they are independent? Are there is a relation between these four vectors using scalar k1, k2, k3, k4? We have to find that relation also, that is the value of k1, k2, k3, k4, or they are independent. We have to check it. So first of all, for that we have to form a matrix for these four vectors. So like that, A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, and minus 3, 7, 2. So now this we have to check here now. Number of rows are 4 and number of columns are 3. So number of rows are greater than number of column here, because rows are 4 and columns are 3. Number of rows are greater than number of rows column. So here we have to form one more row, one more column, 0, 0, 0. We have to add it, because now it is become m is equal to n. It should be m should less than or equal to n, that is number of rows either equal to number of column or less than or column less than number to column, then only we can find it. So that's why we have to, here number of rows are more and number of columns are less, so we have to consider the one more column, 0, 0, 0. Now it is number of row and number of column are equal, so we can find the relation between them. So to find the relation between them, we have to find the rank of a matrix A. So to find the rank of a matrix, we have to bring the zeros in the first column. So we have to bring 0, here already it is 0, we have to bring 0 here also. So for this, to bring 0 here, we have to bring zeros in the column using row operation first row. So this here we have to use operation R2 minus 2R1 and R3 plus 3R1. Check here, R2 minus 2R1, we will get 0 here. R3 plus 3R1, we will get 0 here. So now this will become 1, 2, 4. This becomes 0, and minus 1 minus 4 will get minus 5. 3 minus 8 minus 5. This is 0, 0. The third row is same as it is, because here already 0. Then fourth row, in the fourth row it is 0. 7 plus 6, 13. Then that is 14 and 0. Now this second row we can divide it by minus 5. So R2 into minus 1 by 5. So we will get here A will become, A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 13, 14 and 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to bring 0 in the second column using R2. Second column में 0 डाल रहे तो R2 use करना है, row operation. So here we will get the 0 by R3 minus R2 and R4 minus 13 R2. R2 का use करना है क्योंकि second column में 0 डाल रहे हैं हम. So now this is equal to 1, 2, 4. Change in R3 and R4, not R2. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 minus 13, 0. 14 minus 13, that is 1, 0. Now we have to use R4 minus R3. Now we have to bring the 0 in the third column. First column में लाया हमने 0, यहाँ 0 लाया, अब हमको यहाँ 0 लाना है using R3. So we have to use R4 minus R3. So now it will become 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we can check here, we can't bring 0 here. If we will bring 0 using this one, so we will get the number here. So now we can check it from here. Rank of a matrix A is 3. नॉन जीरो रोज आर 3. 1, 2, 3 जगह पे 1 है, नॉन जीरो रो है, तो रैंक ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स इज 3. सो 3 वेक्टर्स आर लीनियरली independent and linearly independent, and we have to check it by using 4. Maybe they are linearly dependent. So rank of a matrix A is 3 here. So we had to take 3 by 3 determinant of matrix A. From A का हम 3 by 3 का determinant लेंगे starting से first से. So that will become leading minor. Leading minor is 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, and that is not equal to 0. So we can get it that cofactors of fourth column के जो cofactors हैं, they are the values of k1, k2, k3, k4. Since we are not getting it equal to 0, अगर ये 0 नहीं मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये है कि इसके फोर्थ कॉलम के कोफैक्टर्स विल गिव द वैल्यूज ऑफ k1, k2, k3 एंड k4. नाउ कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ लास्ट कॉलम, दैट इज दिस 0. कोफैक्टर ऑफ दिस 0 इज अ डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ दिस वन. सो k1 विल गिव्स द माइनस, इसका लेना है तो हम इसको छोड़ देंगे, दैट इज 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 3, 7, 2, and we have to solve this one using determinant, so we'll get it 9. Now k2 will give the, k2 is the cofactor of this one. यहाँ पे हमको प्लस लेना है, ये आपको पहले भी बता चुके हैं कि why we have to consider -1 here, because this is the element of first row fourth column. फर्स्ट रो फोर्थ कॉलम मतलब फर्स्ट रो फोर्थ कॉलम मतलब 1 + 4 5 -1 होल टू द पावर ऑफ 5, दैट इज नेगेटिव, इसलिए यहाँ माइनस होगा. नाउ दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेकेंड रो फोर्थ कॉलम. सो 2 + 4 is 6, तो यहाँ प्लस आएगा. एंड इसका कोफैक्टर लेना है, मतलब डिटर्मिनेंट 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, -3, 7, 2, -3, 7, 2. And we have to solve this one determinant, and we are getting it -12. We have to solve this one. Now we have to find k3. k3 is again minus, we have to consider minus cofactor of this one. So 1, 2, इसका cofactor लेना है, इसको और इसको छोड़ देंगे हम, तो 1, 2, 4, 2, -1, 3, and -3, 7. This we have to solve this one, and this we will get it, we are getting it 5. Now we have to find k4. k4 is the cofactor of last element, this one, and again it is positive. So 1, 2, 4, यहाँ प्लस लेना है, 2, -1, 3, 0, 1, 2, and we have to solve it, and this we are getting -5. So thus relation is k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus k4 x4 is equal to 0. Now we have to put the values of k1, k2, k3, k4, so that we will get 9x1 minus 12x2 plus 5x3 and minus 5x4 is equal to 0. This is the relation between these four vectors, and they are linearly dependent, they are related with this relation.